Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove background image in Photoshop. Now you can see, firstly open the Photoshop. Now I will show background image in Photoshop. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now find your picture in the desktop. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see, then open the picture. Now you going to the toolbar option. Now select from magic eraser option. Now select from eraser. Now click from mouse right button option. Now select from magic eraser tool. Now click that it's. Now you can see, then I go into the move tool, then that it's. I can see remove background image in Photoshop is very easily in the one click. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for